what qualities in them do you admire the most?
Wow. Thank you so much for your question. It's a very beautiful question you asked.
Absolutely.
My role model is my mom and my husband and my little girl, Alish. She came to this competition first time, and I was a makeup artist. I should come to do makeup for models. And she win that competition, and she told me, Mama, all mothers are taking part, why you not? And that makes touch my heart. And I said, okay, I will try. But I was put on weight, and I have some sickness. So I don't know how to do, but she make me to walk on the stage, and this is a big stage. Today I'm standing, and I'm very proud of myself, and I want to tell every woman who like me, who thinks that they are big, they cannot do this, or they cannot walk, or they cannot do, they are like depressed in their self. I want to show them that standing on this stage and you can do everything what you think in your mind. Only thing you want to be very confident in yourself what you are doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. You are